In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor on your Subaru Outback. This will be located on the intake tube. Let's get started. Push on the top button, remove the connector for the mass airflow sensor. Put it off to the side. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to remove the 2 screws. Remove the sensor. Install the new sensor. Get the holes lined up. Install the screws. Get them nice and snug. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give a pull, make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.